Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have a pool sweep, a Polaris pool cleaner that has no pressure. So let me show you what the problem is. We have a Polaris PB460 booster pump. This is actually very common with this pump. When the pump runs but it makes no pressure, it's often the impeller. This is what it should look like. This is gone, and if you'll notice, it's sitting right there inside the pump. So they broke loose. And this PB460 is known for very weak impellers. This PB460 is known for this, and they just break off right here. Probably 9.9 out of 10 will break. So if you have a PB460, it quits supplying pressure to the cleaner, most likely it's gonna need a new impeller. So we'll swap that out and you'll be back in business. I'm going to need a wrench, grab a hold of the shaft like we got there. Then we're gonna put the pair of pliers on the front. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and replace that. And I always like to replace the shaft seal while I'm doing it, so we'll do that too. Just use a screwdriver. Pry the old one out. And to keep from touching everything, I just use a paper. Grab that new seal in the paper. We'll put it on there. You don't want to touch the white part. Get any oil on it from your skin. Okay. Get that all the way in. Okay, the other half of that seal looks like this. We'll put it on the impeller. Okay, it's on. Slides right on. We'll tighten her up. Okay, let's get that. Wipe off the seal. We should be in business. Slide that there. Okay, that's good. You can stop it until we get it done, then we'll turn it off. Okay. So now we got the impeller back in. Turn the pool on. We're gonna hit the cleaner pump.
Wait, are we doing this top down?
Huh?
We're doing it top down?
No, sideways. Okay. Watch. See the hose jump, so now we know we got full pressure, and you turn over and look at the pool, and the cleaner should be running.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, so if your pool cleaner is not, if you have a situation like this where your pool cleaner is not working, the pool store has rebuilt it several times, still doesn't work, then you may have a bad impeller. Double check if you have a PB460. There's a 99.9999%, I guess you call that a pretty good percentage, chance that the impeller is broken. So thanks for watching. Have a great summer.